Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Windows privacy settings for telemetry reduction, detailed guide step by step clearly. Go to the Start menu by clicking the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Select the gear icon to open the Settings app. In the Settings window, click on Privacy. On the left sidebar, scroll down and click on Diagnostics and Feedback. Select Basic to limit the amount of data sent to Microsoft. Scroll down to the Improve Inking and Typing option. Turn off the toggle switch for Send in Diagnostic Data. Next, go back to the main Privacy menu. Click on Activity History in the left sidebar. Uncheck the box that says Let Windows collect my activities from this PC. Scroll down and disable the option Let Windows sync my activities. Disable all apps that you do not want to access your camera. Repeat this for the microphone section, turning off access for any unnecessary apps. After adjusting these settings, close the Settings app. Lastly, consider accessing the Group Policy Editor for more advanced privacy options. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type petted.msc and press Enter. In the Group Policy Editor, navigate to Computer Configuration. Select Administrative Templates, then go to Windows Components. Click on Data Collection and Preview Builds. Locate the policy titled Allow Telemetry. Double-click it to modify. Select Disable to further reduce telemetry data. Click Apply, then OK to confirm your changes. You have now successfully configured your Windows privacy settings for telemetry reduction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.